Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Money Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you press that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell for that notification link. So as you already know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I wanted to do a little bit of a spin on Valentine's Day. So as you know, last year I did all about like for the love of Valentine's Day and anti-Valentine's Day. So I want to continue to do the same thing this year. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, make sure you definitely stay tuned. So this is going to be a twist on my anti-Valentine's Day. I think I'm going to call this makeup to breakup, because you know, like my makeup was all done, and then when you feel like you just been broken up like over text or whatever, and then them tears just start flowing. Yeah, we've been there. I've been there more than once, sadly to say. But hey, make sure you check out this easy DIY for this makeup to breakup look. So hey everyone, this is my final look for my makeup to breakup anti-Valentine's Day tutorial. Hopefully no one is on their couch crying, but yes, this is the final look. I really wanted to go for more of a wet look to look like it's constantly like running down my face, but I was too scared that the paint was going to drip on my shirt, and two, I didn't want to do like a whole bunch of shading and shadowing and stuff like that with the streaks, because I didn't want it to turn into like a big mess on my face. So I just wanted to keep it, you know, just very cute and put together. And I love the little accent of the heart gems that I got from the dollar store. I really feel like it really like brings the look all together. And you know, hopefully you go out on Valentine's Day, because as you know, Valentine's Day is on a Friday, y'all. So if you don't have a Valentine's Day yet, you might find one that night. Okay, go to the board, keep it cute, keep it posted up. You never know what you might bring in. Okay, you know, catch my drift. But yes, I really like this look. I love how it came out. Keep in mind, I'm an amateur. I'm just new to this. Whatever I have in my head, I try to like execute it onto my face. Hopefully you really enjoy it. If you do, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment in the section below. And yes, make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to have a couple more looks coming out. So yeah, until then, stay beautiful.